Hello, my name is Alex the Polymath. Today I will be giving you a tutorial on Time Glider. So, first I'm going to search Time Glider into my browser. Oh, and by the way, Time Glider is a timeline creating software. And it should be the first result, and when you click on it, this pops up. If you have an account, just log in. If you don't have an account yet, hit sign up and click the green button. But I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to my account. And here's my first timeline. It's going to be about the births of my family. Let's add an event. Birth of dad. And you can enter a date. His birth is 1974. Yeah, and it is in July, and it's on the 15th. So, and then you can add the event here. You can add some end dates if it's like more than one day, and you can also add some notes if you want, but I don't think I need that. Okay, and then you can add more events. I'm going to add birth of mom, and then put date. And it's in April 30th. Okay. And you can add a lot of events. I'm gonna put this January 6th, not 2019. Should be, where is it? 2007. Ah, no. 2007. There. And then you can add the event. Birth of brother. April 20th, not 2019, 2010. Birth of Leo, which is my dog's name. And it's February 9th, not 2019, 2016. And one more. Don't worry, I'm almost done. Birth of Lizzie, my other dog. And it's December 1st, 2018. Okay, now that I've done adding my events, this is what it looks like. You can make a legend, important event, important, and I'm just gonna copy and put whatever you want in the legend. So basically the colors align. So here, the legend here is in the bottom right corner. And if you just want to see the events but not the timeline, you can go here. Okay, and that's about it. Thank you for listening or watching.